Welcome to our series on answering interview questions for electrical engineers. Today, we'll be discussing how to respond to the common question. Tell me about a time you had to adapt to a change in project scope or direction. We'll provide a sample answer and give insight into what the interviewer wants to learn from your response. Let's get started. Tell me about a time you had to adapt to a change in project scope or direction. An interviewer wants to know how you handle change in problem solving, communicate with team members, and maintain a project's goals and quality. You can show your skills by sharing a specific situation, actions you took, and results. Let me give you an example of how to answer this question effectively. One time, I was working on a project to design electrical schematics for a new building. Midway through the project, the client changed their requirements and wanted us to switch from using a traditional electrical system to a more energy-efficient one. This change in scope meant that we had to modify our original plans significantly. To adapt to this change, I immediately began researching the new system and discussing it with my colleagues to ensure we fully understood the requirements. I then recalculated the building's energy needs and developed a new design that would meet the client's goals. I also had to communicate effectively with the client, explaining the changes and how they would impact the project timeline and budget. By keeping them informed and involved throughout the process, we were able to maintain a positive working relationship and successfully deliver the project on time and within budget. Overall, this experience taught me the importance of staying adaptable and flexible in the face of changing project requirements. It also strengthened my communication and problem-solving skills, which are essential qualities for any successful engineer. Great job! You now have an amazing answer about adapting to changes in project scope or direction. Keep watching for more career tips and tricks, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts. Want even more help with your job search? Visit beconfident.io for all the resources you need to succeed.